Hi, Henry. Sorry for calling you again. Hi, Henry. Sorry for calling you again. I just forgot to add something else to the contract. I edited section 15.7 of the document you shared, so when you have a minute...
I'm ahead of the game.
Remember who am I? I'm a boss and I'm honestly off my rocker, but follow me, I'm ahead of the game. I'm ahead of the game. I'm only a butt slinging, I'm working overtime. Got the song and I'm the singer, the melody, the vibe. I'm a prodigy, logically, I'm impossibly wanted, and they'll remember my name. They'll remember my name. Ooh, well, I'm ahead now. I'm ahead of the game. I'm ahead of the game. Said you know I always bring it. I'm finer than the wine.
Exactly. Enter the code 31781 and star, and the garage door will open automatically.